Double Shot Kit. If you love florals, you are going to love this month's kit. The Double Shot Kit comes out every month and it includes 2 collections, including your cardstock, your pattern paper, and your embellishments. So you'll be getting a little sampling of new products every month. You'll also receive 2 recipe cards for 2 double page layouts, one for each one of the collections in the kit, designed by the design team. So this month your 2 collections are Echo Park, I Love Crafting, and My Mind's Eye, Splendor. You can already see all of the gorgeous florals. So let's dig in and take a closer look at each one of these collections. Our first collection from Echo Park is I Love Crafting. So this is all themed around our crafting habits and the fun things that we do. But of course you can use the B-sides and the florals and all of that to do whatever type of crafting that you want to do. So for the cardstock we have 1 sheet of Fussy and 2 sheets of Java. The pattern paper is this first one, this gorgeous pink floral on the black with some of the mint green. The back is a floral stem on pink. This one is called Fancy Floral. We have this paper that has the script words going across, and they say like sewing, happy, DIY, crafty, scrapbooking, maker, so all different types of crafty phrases. The back is a brush stroke on a canvas in the rainbow colors. This one is called Inspiring Words. And we have this one that has all the cute little quotes here, again centered around all of the crafts. Love this one with the Crafting Queen. And the back are more floral stems done in white on top of the red with a pink tone and little yellow flowers. This one's called Maker's Gonna Make. So one more look at the pattern paper, but you can see this side is all generic. You could scrapbook anything that you want. And the other side. For your embellishments, you're going to get the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So you have the border strips, some large icons. Love the little crafter girl. So again, lots of little icons you could use for just about anything, but then also those special little icons all about crafting. So this is a great time to do a layout about yourself and your hobby and document that for your family to have a record of. So that is Echo Park, I Love Crafting. Our next collection is Splendor from My Mind's Eye, and just more gorgeous flowers. I just love these beautiful florals and the roses here. So to start with our cardstock, we have 2 sheets of white and 1 sheet of Tropical Bay, and I don't know if that will show up, but it's a glitter type metallic. Kind of get the light going on it. So it has a shimmer to it. It's gorgeous. Okay, so for the patterned papers, we have this one that has, to me it reminds me of a beadboard wall with the beautiful florals. You could just put a little picture here and a couple of little embellishments and call it good. The back is this yellow and white diagonal stripe. This one is called Moments. Then we have the floral here. It's little bouquets of the yellow and the mint green and the soft pink on a pink background. And the back is a green and white stripe, and this one is called Forever. Then we have this big, wide, bold pink and white stripe. And the back is this beautiful text, again with the small little flowers kind of in between. So some of the phrases are, our very happy life, you are what makes me smile, together forever. So some beautiful sentiments. So one more look at your patterned paper. Then for the embellishments, you're going to get a roll of washi tape. So your embellishments will vary, but I got this one. That's a wide one with the small little flowers on the green. You're going to get some enamel dots. So all of this embellishment here is from the mixed bag. So I got some of the pink enamel dots, a tag, frame, phrases, some leaves, and some of these gorgeous floral die cuts. So again, your Embellishments will vary, but that's a good representation of what will be in your kit. So that is Splendor from My Mind's Eye. One more look at your February 2019 Double Shot Kit. If you're not subscribed to the YouTube channel, be sure to click the subscribe button and that notification bell so you'll be notified when new videos are released. Then come over to the Scrap Room blog and the Facebook group to join in on the challenges and to see what your design team is creating with their product, as well as your fellow subscribers, and join in on all of the fun challenges we have going on. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create.